Allan. I'm super excited to be here today with you, your Shopify's Chief Technology Officer, and I would love it if you could give us a quick introduction on who you are, what you do, and also your involvement with Technovation.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Christina. So I'm Allan Lienwand. As you mentioned, I'm Chief Technology Officer here at Shopify. I have a daughter who participated in the Technovation Challenge twice, 2 different years when she was in high school, and now she is also a computer science major at university, just started in the fall. So
it definitely is a great program for sparking the curiosity and people to pursue technology and business moving forward. And we were so thrilled to hear that one of your daughters did participate in Technovation. So what was this experience like for her, and what was an experience like for you as the parent?
Well, for me as a parent, being someone who's involved in a STEM industry, it was really sort of rewarding and honoring to see her try and follow a little bit in my footsteps. Someday I'll be following her footsteps, I'm sure. And I think that the interesting part about that as a parent is that I watched her go from a user of technology to a creator of technology. And I also found her able to find things she was passionate about. One of her apps was to help house pets as people were traveling, or maybe pets that were discarded or homeless. And it was called Pet Lodge, and she just had a lot of fun because one of her passions was around animals and being kinder and gentler to animals. So it allowed her to explore her passion and tie it with technology. I asked her what the experience was like for her, and she said the mentors that she had mentors from, Google and a couple other large tech companies here in the Bay Area. And she was just thrilled to be engaged with women who were already in the industry and could set a prime example for what she wanted to evolve into doing. And also gave her an example of how to work as a team and work in a team with other women building in technology. And it gave her a real sense of accomplishment. She said it was just amazing to put the app together and actually see it work and function and behave and show up on the phone, and what it was like to get into the app store and publish. And she really just felt a lot of pride in the Technovation app she put together. It's awe-inspiring, and I'm just really happy that I can be a very, very small part of it. And I know Shopify is very proud to be a sponsor and also to, again, be a piece of the Technovation community.